Welcome to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today I'm going to share with you the 2 grab bag boxes I got from Michaels. I don't know what's in here, I did not look, so let's get to it. Instead of the grab bag boxes or bags being $4, they went up to $5. They raised their price. But that's okay with me because you get nice things and it's fun to get the grab bags. All right, let's get started. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. A St. Patrick's Day hat. And it's inside, you could put stuff in there. And the retail price on this is $14.99. Next we have this Happy St. Patty's Day pot of gold. This is cute too. And this has a thing to hang it if you wanted to hang it up. There is no price tag on this. Well, and now we have some flowers. See what this is doing in there with the St. Patrick's Day. This has a retail price of $19.99. And last thing is this frame things. I belong with you, you belong with me. That is so cute. And this has the US retail price of $16.99. All right. This is good stuff. I'm happy with what I got in this box. All right, now, second box. Oh boy, this box is just full of stuff. First, let's see. Oh boy. Oh, I like these. I got, let's see, hold on up. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Like a wall hanging thing. And the price was $19.99. And for these I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one's damaged. That's okay. 6 of these signs. Okay, next is, what are these? Ribbon wand. These, you could like wave them around for St. Patrick's Day parades or just to have fun or to decorate. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh wow, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ribbon wands. These I can save, or I could even use them for picks and put them in things for when it's St. Patrick's Day. I like these. These are very cute. These have a price tag of $2.99 each. Next, I have this plastic container of shatterproof ornaments. How cute. You can hang them up, like make maybe a garland out of them, or put them on a tree. Have a little St. Patrick's Day tree, ornament tree. And these have a price of $4.99. See, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. See, next I have some ribbon, really cute ribbon. It's $3.99, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those, and those retail for $3.99 each. Here's some smaller ribbon, St. Patrick's Day ribbon with just shamrocks. And this retails for $3.99 also. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Oh, this is cute. Table scatters. Like you put these on a table or maybe in a bowl or something. This is really cute. These are $4.99. And I got 1, 2, 3 of those. Oh, and here's another ribbon with the hats on it for $3.99. Oh, and here's another shamrock ribbon. Let's see. Oh, what is this? This looks like a shamrock ribbon. Oh, I like this. This is so neat. This is really cute and neat. This does not have a price on. I got 1, 2. Oh, these are all tangled up. 3 of those. Next is this shamrock light up tabletop decor. Does it work? Oh, lights up. This has a retail price of $19.99. You can either put it on the table or it has a little hanger thing in the back. This is really cute. I like this. Okay, now I have this garland, St. Patrick's Day garland. This retails for $9.99, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is everything that is in my grab bag boxes. I hope you liked my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.